This is this is where we are now. We are 50 minutes to the monthly close. So this is also for the daily close. So this is quite important. So basically, I'm putting the monthly close. Okay, so this is where we are now. We are doing a bullish engulfing candle with this candle here. So the price is trying to hold above, so it's to make the bullish engulfing. And we added this rejection from this top here. This is what I have been saying since like the last weeks, that we will become here or here, and I still think we come here to the 10,088 at least. Even here to the 10,800 or 11,000. To these areas, I still think we might come if we do the bullish engulfing. For now, it's holding, but now it's trying to reject. So I don't know if we will do it. Still 50 minutes to go. But so on the monthly, the supports are on the 21, this white line, 21 moving average, the 20 moving average, and we still have the 12, which is this one, exponential moving average. So this is areas to buy, not where we are now. Even if we go above, this is all selling areas. We can see from here, from all these trend lines from the top of 2017. We do this with this top, we have this trend line above, and we have this top from 19. So this top with this top, we did this again, we tested this resistance on this trend line, and we are rejecting now. Let's see if we manage to get to the support and try to push to this one. This is the big one here, and there's a trend line here as well. So this is our areas, important ones, and we have all these trend lines here below, but we never know when it comes. So for now, just showing all these trend lines here. This one was tested to go up, so we are pushing higher to the areas to sell or to keep on going up. We don't know. And we also have these trend lines here that the Bitcoin never came, but can take a few time, or Bitcoin might never come. But we still have these moving averages as well, here and here and here, that this area was never tested as support. It was a short squeeze that was never tested. So this is important. This is areas that the sellers sell, all these areas here. But this is trying to do a bullish engulfing to try to go up. Let's see if he managed in 50 minutes or no with this candle here. So this is resistance that I was saying in my last videos, and it came to reject mathematically. This is another one, and this is another one. But because this one here already rejected the people from this area, I don't think we come here, but where I said, or here. This is still possible, the 10,088. Let's see what it does. With a bullish engulfing, it's bullish engulfing, and this is the support area now on these candles until here. Okay, so this is the month, and with strength now. This is the daily. Also, we will close the daily chart. We are rejecting from this top, and we are rejecting this top here from yesterday, from the daily close. So if we keep on red here below the daily close, I think we will come down to test the supports here. Horizontal lines are this one. We have the moving averages, which are by areas, plus horizontal supports, which is this one here. This one was never tested here as well. This area here. All these candles closed here, they were never tested in this area with this one here. So all these areas are to buy, basically. Stop loss is here. If we lose this, I think we come to this one, which was never tested, all this area here. Here and here. This area was never tested with this wick or these candles. So this is another area of support. So we can consolidate. We are already on the indicators like selling, RSI here already on the sell area, on the overbought, and stochastic also on the sell area as well. We can push up a little one more time, but this is sell, price needs to come to support, and we need to buy here on the bottoms, not on the tops. We always have to wait to buy here and here, on the daily at least. So it's a matter of patience. We reject this area here. This is where I said we will come from the week to here or here. We still didn't come to this one, so I think we still might come, but who knows? For now, we are doing this and we have to wait. Buy areas, if we miss stop loss or dollar cost average from here until here, and the stop loss here below this candle. So the risk management depends on each person. So it's about patience and buy on support where we are, like on these areas below. Okay, so already spoke like this. Daily, okay, so it's 45 minutes to go. If we close above yesterday's candle, we push higher. If we close below like we are now, even if we go higher after we close, we will come to support. And this is the support here, until here. If we miss these candles here, or even this one, but this is the big support here. If we lose this, we come down, but until that happens, it will take a while because this is the buy areas and the price is quite bullish for now. So 4 hours, testing here the support. This is a strong buy on top of the 12, and we are still holding. I'm just using now because I can use horizontal lines as support, which I have trend line here, horizontal lines from this area, which is this one. So we have many areas to buy. We are on top of a support, but if we close below, we can keep on coming down. Let's see. I feel we can come one more time here to these areas, but let's see. We are consolidating at the moment. Indicators are pushing down, so even if we go up a little more, we have to come to support test at least here, 7,800 at least, but I think we will find a bit of support here. Let's see what it does. 2 hours, still above the 21, so still above support. This is a bullish engulfing, but it's on the 2 hours, so it's not as strong as on the daily or on the weekly, so or the 4 hours. So I don't give so much attention, but still, it's still saying that we go up. So this is bullish on the 2 hours as well. So we are still above support, above the 21. So it's still bullish. And the stop loss will be here. If someone buys on this area to come here or up, the stop loss is here. If we lose this, sell and buy on these trend lines. So it's easy to trade. If someone wants, they can buy here, 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 stop loss here, and that's it. Area by area. For now, it's holding support. Okay, 2 hours, 1 hour. 1 hour is losing the 21, so this is getting more tricky. We lost the support. Here, we rejected the 20 moving average, this one, and the white one, we are losing it now with this candle here. This one came to test it, rejected, and now this is rejecting, and the short was from this area here, stop loss here. This is the people who want to make shorts, it's here, or they can do dollar cost average until here. But this is very easy because they can do a short from here and the stop loss is here. The price goes up and you're out. Very simple. So on the 1 hour, we are rejecting this area. Let's see if now we come down from here. So it's still 40 minutes to go, but it's coming down as we see now. Let's see what it does. We might come just here and push it one more time up. Let's see. Okay, so I think I already said everything. So very low 1 hour time frames, the price can still push up a little bit or a bit down and up. But on the other, we are on the top. So here we already came down, we are coming down still. So this is the point of control here, the stronger one, this area. We come up and we never test it down. So this is an easy one to buy on the 200 here on the 1 hour. This one we never tested as well. So we have this trend line, the strong trend line. This is the area to buy, 7,200 more or less. Because if we open this trend line was never tested. So we push it above here. But this week never came to test this trend line. So this is the buy areas basically. It's on this trend line. And we might do a big bounce here, or let's see, or we come down from here until, who knows, until here. We never know. But normally we do two tests, like for instance here. We came down, we tested 2 times. Actually more. We were many times trying to pass it until we have the rejected, came back. Nobody didn't have enough shorts to make a short squeeze, so price came down to find support and get new buyers. And that's it. So we are here, we might come down, but I think we will test it more times. Even go up a little bit, so go up or above to make a fake out, or who knows if we keep on going up from here on Bitcoin. I don't believe it, but anyway, I think we go down. But it's just my opinion. Okay, so this is where we are, supports here on this area. If we lose this area, we have this area here, a strong one also to buy. If we lose this, we keep on coming down. Until now, this is the areas, the strong areas to buy, to make support up and keep grinding up like Bitcoin has been doing. And yeah, so we can come here and then consolidate here and then back up slowly. Let's see, indicators pushing down. I'll put the daily because it's half an hour to go. We have this trend line here, which is important, that comes from the back, from the top. It comes from that top, the old top that comes from here, make this top this week. It's coming here, and now it's testing support on that trend line. Basically, it's this trend line here. I can put it like this color. So we are testing support on this trend line here to go up one more time. For now, it's still holding, but I'm taking it down now. I'm putting the same color I use. I'm already used to this, but that's why everyone can use different colors for the strength of the trend lines. Okay, so we are still pushing down on the daily. So let's wait. I'm closing the video, but indicators pointing down, so we will go down. Even if we go up a little bit more, we will come down. So buy areas, as I said, from this top here to this top. This is the two buy areas I see. And we have to see this, also these candles from 2019 supports, which are supports. This one was tested, as we see. This candle close here, it's exactly with this candle close. This candle close wasn't tested. So this is, for me, this is the strong buy here because it wasn't tested. 6,925, this is the buy on Bitcoin for me. It can come down, of course, but if the candle on that day closes like this, then we come up again. So it's about reading candle action. Like this candle close here, very strong, that made a point of control here, which got these tops as well. Here, this is the other area, 7,400 is a strong area to buy. So this is the two areas to buy that creates an area. From here, this point of control, to this one here. Okay? Got it? All right. This is where we are on the chart, rejecting this top that we always reject. Here, here, we can come one more time to test it. Even if we come down, maybe we go there again, like we did here. If it doesn't do like that, we need to see what price did in 2017. Went to the top, came down, support, support. It was tricky. People still saying, okay, we go up. Then came here, tested, but with a wick. So this one made a wick and then close it below this. So this is what can happen. Maybe we can come up here, do a wick, but if we close below, then we come down stronger. And then we can have something like this and come to this one. And then from here, we will see if we push up and keep on going up to here, to the 12,000 or even more, or 20 or whatever. Otherwise, we are just doing lower lows and the lower low, lower low, lower low. And if we don't do a higher low here or here to push the price up and do a breakout, we are just doing consolidation on this area. And yeah, so it's easy to see the channels. There's this channel here. We managed to go here, but we missed it. We come to test this support, closed above here, pushing higher, higher, and now we have this channel here. And then we will know if we come to this channel here, or if from here we manage to go here and then higher. It's about reading all these. This is like waves, like surfing. So it's about reading with the trend lines and the horizontal supports. Read what the price does, where they close in the past. It's about reading the price here from 2017 and 18, the big supports here, all this area, this top, this top. This is where we are now. We didn't touch this top. We have this top here, which is aligned with this trend line. So we never know if we come to this top from 2017. If we come here, it will make a higher low from this top here, and then everyone will be bullish to say that the price will go to the 200, 100, 50,000, 40,000. So it will be bullish, but it can be just a fake out if we don't have candles closing above the trend line. So it's about reading and seeing what the price did in the past. And let's see if it's the change here to start to keep on going up on Bitcoin. We never know. So it's about that. All right, this is areas to sell. The areas to buy was on the bottoms and on the supports. Now we are on the sell areas. Looking at the candle one more time because, yeah, we are still rejecting. 30 minutes to go. And let's see. All right. Okay, we'll close this. Have a good trade or investment. Bitcoin, you can make really good money, but it's about patience and waiting for the key areas to buy, like here or here. Like I said, it will be here. If we miss this one, it will be here. This is the second area. If we miss this one, I think we might come down. This is the big support, of course, on these two big candles here. And if we lose this, we go down. But until there, buy and buy. This is the strong buy areas. And here, area by area. This is an area.